how to make wudu.
Okay, Al has something to show you today.
Yes, thank you, Baba. I will now be teaching wudu.
You. Teaching.
I have been doing it properly for weeks now.
We'll see about that.
Okay, Al is going to walk us through every step. Let's see what he's got.
Okay, first we say Bismillah, because we don't just start things, we start them with Allah's name.
Not bad.
Okay, I made a song to help you remember all the steps. You ready? Okay. This is Al in the house. Bismillah, it's wudu time. Clean and ready, now I shine. Before I pray, I do it right. Ready to stand before Allah, that's right. Hands, scrub them right. Mouth, fresh and bright. Nose, in and out. Face, all throughout. Arms, right then left.
Right then left. Don't forget.
Head, one wipe best.
Not a shower, not a scrub, just one wipe clean. Unlike Al, the smoothest move you've ever seen.
Ears, east and west. Feet, now we're blessed. Hands, mouth, nose and face. Arms, head, ears and feet. All 8 steps every day. Now you're ready, go and pray. Yeah, I made this pretty tight.
It's actually really good.
I know.
See? Told you he could do it.
Just remember, right then left, every time.